Now the question, how to test the people at the surrounding, if not the human, if achieving the universe creation from the universe. Just get the material living things in heat, the other material living things. If the people is feel the same at the material living things you heating, that is the universe beings. But when you hit the people, the material living things, or the hand, and the people is full present, he and she feel that is the word of the human creation. That is a test. If the feeling the same material living things in human, that is the combination of complete the universe creation and the human creation. In the combination, there is a pair sicknesses. The combination the word of the body, because the thinking and the feeling is the separating life, the second life, the first mindset, the second heart set, the third body set, the fourth universe set. So many meaning about the feeling of the from the body, but the teaching about the word of the middle, that is giving to continue to study from the starting continuing the studying from the father and mother in this universe. That's the reason have a medal, because of the connection of the stomach, the word of Santo Espiritu, because the Santo Espiritu is the normal people, the word of gifted, because the reincarnation of the life. Oh, the story of the Islamic and Catholic. The Islamic, the boy is so many girl wife, if I did not mistaken. It because the girl is did not understanding the past story of the Islamic religion, because I received in my guided, if I did not mistake, because I'm not a perfect people, only I giving the message why so many girl, so many wife. It because at the past the girl is no understanding to the husband, no understanding to the child. That's my song. I gonna kill this. Because the creation of the child from the human creation, repeating the creation reverse from the universe creation, and give the freedom, the three word, that is the freedom of the child, the finish line, first, second, third, the 3 days of the giving birth. Have a thinking, have a feeling, have a body, complete package of the child. Now, the story of the Islam, it because no understanding to the husband, no understanding to the child. When the Islam is founding the original understanding, didn't the Islam boy is did not finding again the another, and contented to the self understanding. And then the second religion is the Catholic. The word of Father at the chapel, no wife. Mother at the chapel of the Catholic, no husband. That is the word of the Islamic Catholic. From Islamic Catholic, because finding the understanding there. The second is Catholic. Peace. Only judging midwife. Father, mother, name, date of birth, birth certificate, and sing again.